Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show off my remote control car. Yes, I am using a remote control for this. This is what it's about. And a Thunder tumbler. I think this was made a long time ago. My grandma gave it to me today, and I think it's pretty cool. It can do loads of tricks. Me and my mom calls it Fido because it's like a dog, kind of. But it's a robot dog. It's not even a dog, though. It's cool, though. Oh, no, is it stuck? Oh, never mind. It's pretty cool. Yeah, this is just something cool I got. That's all. Well, that's all. I'm just going to close up real quick. One final close up. It's pretty old, so it got some injuries. So yeah, that's all. And we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.